We have our modern brand of metalworking machinery, which is produced for us in factories in overseas, in Taiwan, in Europe, in China, and we have very close relationships with the factories that are producing machines for us. We visit them regularly to look after quality control, sometimes introduce new features, and those factory owners have become almost like family to us as well. And they produce things like our drill presses, our bandsaws, our lathes, our milling machines, our CNC lathes and milling machines. And one of the things that you can count on when you buy one of these machines from us is that we've gone to the factory, we've gone and made sure that the quality control is in place, that our components and the materials in the machines that we're selling are a notch above machines on the market that may look similar to ours, but they're really not the same.